Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the top 3 Eniba coupon code websites for 2025. Let's get started. First up, we have Join Honey. This is one of the most popular and trusted websites for finding verified coupon codes. All you need to do is visit joinhoney.com and create a free account. You can even add their browser extension, which automatically finds and applies the best Eniba coupons at checkout. Honey constantly updates its database, so you'll often find new promo codes, cashback offers, and special discounts that work instantly when shopping on Eniba. Super easy, just one click and Honey does all the work for you. Next, we have GG Deals. Now, this site mainly focuses on comparing game prices across multiple stores, including Eniba, Steam, and GOG. However, as of today, there are no active Eniba coupons listed on GG Deals. But don't worry, it's still worth checking regularly because they sometimes post special sales or bundle discounts that can save you a good amount of money. Think of GG Deals as your smart assistant for tracking price drops and best deals in real time. And lastly, we have couponfollow.com. This is another excellent site for finding Eniba coupon codes that are currently active. Just visit couponfollow.com, search for Eniba, and you'll see a list of available promo codes, including verified and user-submitted ones. Most of the time, you can find multiple coupons here, from 5% off game keys to extra discounts on digital cards. It's updated frequently, so you'll always have a few options to try before making your purchase. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos about the best tech tools, gaming deals, and money-saving tricks.